Alright guys, we're getting down to the nitty gritty of this first biggins I've done. Number 7 of 8. And here's the current standings. You see Sean in first, 18. Daniel, a little bit behind. Thomas and Chuck really close. Jack's right there. Ferg, from that first break he was in, is still up in there. Matt, Cab, Tex, James, Brian, Bob, Jason, PJ, and Sarah. And actually nobody behind the bubble line. So... here we go. Oh, here we go. Sean, James, Kev, Matt, all the same guys at the top are battling. We got Daniel, Thomas, Tex is in there. Thomas and Matt with some darts. Sean, Daniel, Tex, 5+. Well, alright. So we've got a lot of stuff going on today, so I'm trying to rush. Thomas, 3 darts for you, buddy. Triple 3. I can't wait till Thomas posts his mail day picture of the package I just sent him. Man, there's a lot of cards in there. Triple 13. And double 19 for Thomas. And 6 for Matt. Double 3. Single 1. Matt wants triples. He needs triples bad. I know it. Triple 14. There's one. Double 19. Single deuce. And for Matt, get your prize. Nope, single 20. No prizes. Boo. Ah, wheel spin for Sean. Sean. New Jersey Devils autograph for Sean. Alright. How many Boston, maybe? I think so. What a shark. The sharks. Give them. I like giving away these classic SIG autos, actually. Go with that one. I don't know why. Sean, you got a Brian Mullen Winnipeg Jets hard autograph. Alright, Daniel. I know you cashed out the other, his brother's, the other Mullen, so I gave you that one. New York Rangers for Daniel. Or no, Brian, or Daniel cashed out. So New York Rangers is a good one for you, Daniel, because you're going to get 5 inserts. Well, that's not bad. 5 inserts. Let's go with do I have Chicago? I have some Chicago here, I think. No, I don't. They're all jerseys. That was Colorado, actually. Oh, I'm completely out of Chicago, probably because of you, Daniel. But we're going to go with, let's see what Detroit's got. That one's nice. On canvas. Cool. Oh, we'll go with those. 5 inserts for Daniel. Starting your new pile, Daniel. I just shipped all your stuff. There we go with Pavel Datsyuk's Shining Stars. Got 2 different Stevie Yzerman Elite Series. A Zetterberg Canvas and a Datsyuk Shining Stars different year of Shining Stars. So there you go, buddy. Inserts for you. I don't know why I picked Detroit. Nobody will ever know. Tex. Tex still around? There's Tex. Colorado. So 1 dart for Tex. We're landing on Colorado a lot lately. I'm going to grab Colorado on Boom Sauce on Saturday. Double top. Double 20 for Tex. Alright. So, here we go with our box, guys. Very soon, I guess tomorrow night, first spin. If it's clear, I'll be posting my last box of this. So, it'll be at poker night. If it doesn't sell, if it isn't clear, I'll post one when I get home. If it ends up clearing, anyways, this serial number. And then Saturday, I'll probably start the new one. I got to figure out the pricing, but it'll be 5 boxes of classic SIGs and 9 hit draft spots for 3 packs of that Ultimate 14th edition. It's gonna be fun. 6 hard autographs per box too, so pretty cool product to use. Lots of autos going out. All right, who's gonna get the points in this one? Florida, Tex, 10th of a point. We got Philadelphia, Tex, 10th of a point. Moving on up. Sean does it again. Colorado Avalanche. Milan Hajduk jersey card. Or as the Americans say, Milan Hajduk. 1 point for Sean. And Matt, 10th of a point. Colorado, Carolina. Sean is lucky sometimes. He's got a lot of teams and all this stuff, though. Hey, speaking of Milan Hajduk, how about number 2 for Sean? Thomas, 10th of a point for your Bobby Lou. James, you got a point. Tyler Myers, silver jersey swatch. Getting you a point. That'll move you, I think James only had base so far, so that'll move you up a bit. And look at that, Matt. Another 10th. Doubles have been doing really good. That's a thickie, I'm going to say that one. This one is a thick spacer. Jeff Skinner for Matt. Wow, 3 base. Pretty good job. Daniel, 10th of a point. Kopi. Wow, again? Yeah, you're right. Sean does have that horseshoe, actually, because Cameron Gaunt's autograph. Cameron Gaunt's for 2 points for Sean. It's going to make it hard to pass him, but you never know. He's up at the top. Spezza for Kev. Kev climbing up a little bit, 10th of a point. Another big spacer. Thomas, 10th for your Liddy. Nick Liddy base. Tampa Bay and Tex. Marty St. Louis, 10th of a point. Ooh, draft days out of 99. Not too bad either. Going to Daniel in Chicago. Brandon Saad. Oh, Brandon Saad draft day sticker auto. That's getting you 2 points and 3 points because it's serial numbered. 3 points for Sean or for Daniel on that one. That'll help your cause, Daniel. And last pack, Thickie. I think it's a, yep, something. I'm not really sure what that is. But there's Matt. Grabbing another base. Marty. Thomas grabbed, oh God, that's beautiful. I can't believe how lucky Thomas is on these cards. Florida base for Tex. Thomas. Wow, bud. Jersey, Prime, Patch, Fight Strap. 24 of 25. Goes nice with the Jamie Benn I just shipped you. Exact same. So, what are these, 4 stars or something? Or completes. Nice job. So this one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because Fight Strap I didn't allocate anything, so it's just a mem. And 8, because it's serial out of 25. 8-point card, Thomas. Does that put you in the lead? I don't know. I'm going to have to update. Check the standings later. Actually, you were pretty close. Let's see, where are we? 15, 18, Sean got a point. Oh, that's definitely going to put you in the lead. I think. Don't quote me on it, though. I think you're now the leader of the Biggins points with your two big those are big point cards. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys, for your support. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a great night.